That shoot you now.
Cause I just don't want to say goodbye to you. I'm my baby.
What's good? Never mind. Alright, today we are gonna do 5 things Jamaicans hate. So first up, spend money. It's a shame. Yeah, just say. No, you know, no. You no get my just a fee, no 250. You mad? It's a Chinese man. I want 250 for me having a piece of chin. You need $500 for this dresser. Do something, man. Better than that, man. Better than that. It's a cheese. It's a chin everywhere. I just 3 lines of chin. It's a chin. Jamaicans. Look, you now see me hot shiny. I eat Adidas. Or you think me get to buy Adidas? Pay me 5 bills for here one. Wait there. And I said that same just like the year one. For 150. Yo, the end of the session. No go away. What? You get dresser. Give me 250. You give me 250. You get dresser. Wait, sir. You can get it for 150? 150? No. 250, man. Give me 250, no. Give me 250, no, man. Give me 250. Actually, I grumble too much. She always just like one mind. Jamaicans are wicked. You think they say Chinese me, but Jamaican me na man. Me na. Okay, so moving on to number 2. Bad mind. Suck your mother. Alright, number 3. What number 3? Informer. We don't like informer. We hate informer. Hey, excuse me, sir. Could you say that a little louder? Oh, I said, we don't like informer none at all, you see? Really, what you do? Oh, I see what you tried. You can't set me up. But if you don't, no one will like this video. Me, he's going to say. I was the one who said, me get it from. Thank you. Alright, that was a close one, but moving on to number 4. Oh, hi. My name is Ming. Who said, me get it from. Who said, me get it from. Me get it from. So moving on to number 4 for real this time.
Hi. Alright. So my name is and I'm recovering. Sorry, I get emotional when I speak of this. I'm a lighter thief. I'm a recovering lighter thief. I just started teaching lighters. And I didn't really need it most of the time. I was just smoking it for fun. I was just stealing lighters for fun. It was getting out of hand. What motivated me to seek help about this is I saw it nothing too far. I was like planning to thief. I felt the urge to thief lighters out of shops, and that was too far. It's bad enough thieving from people out of their pockets. But shops was going too far. I was becoming quite a celebrity for my skills. I stole a couple of celebrities' lighter. I tried to steal Carter's lighter. It didn't work. I stole Mavada's lighter, Daddy One's lighter, Amini's lighter, Governor's lighter. A couple of the artists. Wait, we can't really call the name because I don't know about any lighter yet.
Number 5, last but not least. See, you know, alright, we don't like police. Not to deal with police. So, all this should have gone. Alright, watch this. The whole of your money now, right now, man. Whole of should be done. Please, we don't have to do this. You can't say that I have kids and family at home, brother. You can't say that we don't have to do this. You don't have to go yourself. You can't say that dog, and this will happen to that man right now. It's script, brother. So just, this is the procedure. I drop it right now already. Shoot everything. Yeah, but you know, see, come like man run out of video idea, dog, like 50 of this robbing in and dog, that's a no, bro. Dog. Let's no go away, so now, we don't know what That fruit there now.
Walk on here, so me call the police. Me call the police. Yo, don't worry, my friend. Me call the police. Thief, thief. Yo.
Where are you?
Me call the police, man. Thief,
You call
thief.
police?
Yeah.
You know no shame.
You, what you say? Alright, you made it up. Call police, man. You know what I
Your
think?
brother foolish that dog. Police dog.
That's serious?
The right, that's a call for. Excuse me? I want to go answer. Alright. This brother there, right, that's a rap me. Who, that fella there? Can't believe it. Nice guns for. I feed all him must him hungry pig with them yard. Or something. This brother here right here, so I try call police.
Sorry. Rub me. Shouldn't call the police.
Disgust me. Hello guys, what go on? I don't know. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Or else. Nah, I'm just a player, I don't know still. Subscribe for you. Or else.